What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today you're actually in luck because I'm going to explain to you how I day trade on the laptop. We're going to go and do a live trade. I'm going to explain to you how I do things using my simple strategy. Now you're going to see how easy it is. I'm explaining it so easy, but it's not as easy as it looks. But you're going to have a look. I'm going to give you everything you need in this video. It's going to be like a vlog kind of thing slash motivational advice and live day trading. Educational, you can say. So let's go to the computer. We're gonna get to the boring stuff in a few minutes and then we'll do the vlog things. So this is the apartment that I got recently, guys. Let me just show you, because last time you didn't actually see it furnished. So you can see here, we got the, now some people say that you've got the worst taste in furniture, but it suits kind of the floor. And we got the light at the top. I know you don't want to see that. So let's go to the computer. Now this is what a day trader looks like. Take a good look. Alright, you don't need a suit. This is the problem. People think that you actually need a suit to be a day trader. Like you need to dress nice. And I always say one thing. This is what I say. It's not about how you dress, it's about what you know. So here's the office, guys. Now this is not just charging, this is actually my Wi-Fi. I don't have internet in the house, so I'm just hotspotting through my phone. The reason why I don't have internet in the house is because, well, I'm only here for 2-3 weeks. Like I said to you guys, I bought this and I said I have to go back home. So let's jump on the computer and I'll keep you updated. Okay guys, so most of you by now, you know my trading style. We trade earner reports. Now, these two stocks I gave on my Patreon and I told you today they will spike in value. And I also showed you how to trade them. I showed you how they will spike in value and why I can predict these. Now, we know the exact date. Why? Well, because they have to release an earner report today. The news, we trade news. Now, Tyson Food, right, and Home Depot, two stocks that I gave on my Patreon account, two of them actually spiked in value. Now, this one I gave in the YouTube video, the last YouTube video actually. So, Home Depot has spiked by almost 1%. Why? Well, because it beat earner reports or beats earning expectations. Basically, Home Depot earnings easily beat Home Depot stock rises. All right, so they just beat earnings. So it came out with good results. Now it hasn't spiked yet pre-market, not too much. Tyson Foods, however, it slumped in value. Why? Well, because it came out and missed revenue and weak guidance. What did I say in the last video? When such things happen, people will sell their shares and short that stock. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to short that stock because it's negative earner report, and I'm going to buy this stock because it's positive earner report. So what do? I come to my brokerage account and I place my positions. Now, TSN over here. TSN. We're not buying, sorry. That's TSN. We are shorting. So I'm going to put in a sell short position. That means I'm betting that the stock is going to go down in value. And I'm going to click trade now. What's going to happen is going to my orders now, right? So that's waiting for the stock market to open, which is in 10 minutes. Today is the 13th of November. Now, we have Home Depot, HD. That came with good results, remember? We're going to buy that stock. How many shares? We're going to put in 500 also. Not a limit order, we're going to put a market order. Why? Well, because you will figure this out at the end. So, buy that stock because of good earnings. Now, let's go to orders. Here is my orders waiting. These are the orders I just placed. So we have Home Depot. By the way, this isn't always the way I do it. There's other ways to do it, right? I change my strategy halfway, but the principles apply here. So Home Depot is a buy, 500 shares, and market opens. You can see that the market opens in 10 minutes. And Tyson Foods market opens in 10 minutes also. So I'm shorting Tyson Foods and I'm buying Home Depot. Okay, we shorted Tyson, remember, 500 shares. It was at 61.61 or something. I'm not sure. I'll look at the video. So we made about 6% in this so far because I got out of that stock. But with Home Depot, I lost money. But I still could have short. Now this went the opposite way. That's why I say shorting is more important than buying, because you can't go wrong with shorting. But it's coming back, right? So I'm still holding on because I know this stock is kind of, people are overreacting to this stock for no reason. So I'm still holding on to that stock. But you can see it's coming back. It opened up at what? Opened up at 179. So we lost about $1.43. And that's okay. That's okay because we made money here. Even if I take my losses with this one, which I'm not, I'm gonna wait for it to go up in value because there's no reason for it to go down in value. Because it came with great earner reports, right? Great earner report. But here with Tyson Foods, I took my money quick. You see? Big slump as market opens for no reason. 6%. Now, big names, big spikes. I know I gave you a few stocks previously. Big names, big spikes. The more you focus on big names, the better for you. Okay? So, that is the way we trade. So guys, you seen we lost a trade and we won a trade at the same time. We made money on one and we lost one. But I came out profitable. How come? Well, I cut my losses short. I got out of that stock quick as possible. So what I need you to do, guys, from now on is if you're wrong on a stock, get out. Now, I might have explained it easy, it might have looked easy, but it's not as easy as it looks. So what I need you to do, guys, start practicing. You have to find your edge. Even though I lost money, I still made money. Why? Because I cut my losses short. I said, I'm wrong. I admitted the defeat and I got out. Now, it's time to get some food, guys. Let me suit up and let's go get some munch. Remember the time we went shopping and we got clothes with a subscriber? If you haven't watched the video, go ahead, watch it. But yeah, I still haven't worn any of these things. By the way, this Tommy Hilfiger socks was put there on purpose. Just so you know, there's another one in there, also purposely put. The bags have been purposely placed because you said you wanted me to flex. Here I am flexing. But the whole point is I haven't worn a single thing because I don't even know if I should wear them. There's like shirts in there also. But yeah, let's go. Now, you might have seen some flexing material in this video, but I said I'm never gonna hold my channel hostage anymore. With my humbleness, it's like if you don't show us the money, Zed, we will never believe you. Let's go get some food. So, we're just gonna get some food and then I'll update you after. Alright guys, it's a cold one these days, so I got me a bit of soup to start off. It's dinner, it's not lunch, but it's dinner time. So, you seen guys, we made money. Now obviously I'm here with my friends, as you can see. Empty seats. I do it alone these days. That's because I'm away from my friends. My friends are back home. And hopefully when I go back, there's more people that want to join my team. Because nowadays I'm bringing people to work with me. And like I said, everybody gets to eat, especially on this channel. Everybody gets to eat. Nobody gets to sit around watching my YouTube videos and not make money. Everybody gets to make money. It's alright. Needs a bit of salt. Keep you updated in the next snap. That is our dinner. Now that's meat. That's a bit of couscous. I think so. See guys, I do eat healthy these days. That's what you need to be eating healthy. I never cook. It's weird. Maz needs a woman. you keep 5. Right? Keep it. Thank you. I'll take this. Thank you. Don't forget to tip the waiter, my friends. Don't forget to tip the waiter. Come on, turn on. There we go. This is sticky. Now, here's some more flexing for you guys. Oh yeah. Just show you the locks. Just so you know, don't try anything. Now after this video, we're gonna get some dislikes. Why? Well, because those who have been programmed and brainwashed by those real traders into thinking that's what the lifestyle is, you know, the luxury, the helicopters and whatnot. And one of my students said, Zed, are you sure it's not those actual traders that are disliking your videos because you're letting out all the secrets? So I was like, yeah, maybe. So my life is similar to yours. There's no difference, except maybe I can afford more things. And maybe I'm financially free. But I live the same, lifestyle as yours, right? I mean, that's what we want at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, whatever you want to do after, that's your job or your call to do. You can do whatever you want in life. If you want to live a luxury lifestyle, nothing to stop you. But I like to live a normal life because that's it. There's no other lifestyle that I want to live except this. Now, yes, I do other things that I don't show on my YouTube channel. I do go out and have fun, but you don't see that. If that's what you want, maybe I'll vlog it one day for you guys. Maybe in London we'll do it. I'll be in London in 2 weeks or in 10 days. And if you want to meet me, Simply Zed is my Instagram. Again, you have to find your edge, guys. You have to find your edge with trading. What you've been given is only a foundation. And I found my edge. What you just seen is my edge, me trading. You can find your edge using this strategy, or if it doesn't work out for you, then use something else. See you again for another, guys. That's all I want to do in this video, is show you these things. And you've seen all the flexing. Now, I'm not here to flex, but I'm not holding my YouTube channel hostage anymore. Because if I don't show off, then we're just gonna bore people with my videos. We have to come out and do these videos every now and then. See you again for another, just like always.